Oh. Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Gary from Gary's Garage. We back again. Oh yeah, in the place. That's right. Here we go again. Yesterday, my cousin brought me a Toro 7.25 gross torque, 163cc with a 22-inch recycler, smart stow. Yeah, whoever had it before me, they didn't stow it smart. And it has self-propelled. I don't know what kind of self-propel it got. It must got, I don't know how many horsepower for the self-propel. It'll take you away. But anyway, we did the normal stuff. Changed the oil, changed the fuel. I went through the carburetor. I just went through the carburetor again. Now this time, I took the time. I took the main jet out, cleaned it thoroughly, cleaned the carburetor thoroughly again. And yesterday when I had it started, it was surging. Now, let's see what we got. All right, let's just see. Let's see, y'all. What'd I do with that? Oh, yeah, we gotta get the adjustable wrench out. We want to let it run a little bit. Hopefully, it should be nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. It's funky. Like nice and smooth. Let's see. Oh man. Woo! Started real good. Okay, there we have it. Wow. Yeah, she sounding a lot better now. And like I said, I didn't have to, well, it's no primer, so you can't prime the gas. I didn't have to use starting fluid, and I barely had to pull the rope, as you can see. Watch. Let's do it again. Let's do it one more time. One time to blow your mind. All right. Yo, this is Gary's Garage. And it looks like it's another episode coming to an end. So as usual, I like to say, subscribe, like, hit that like button. And if you have a comment, please leave a comment. And if you have any input, leave your input comments in the comment section. And I'd like to thank another YouTuber out there I was watching yesterday. I can't recall his name exactly, but if he's watching, tell him thank you. He had the same mower, same problem. All right? I don't want to call his name because then he might say I was cheating. Say he probably gonna say I stole the secret from him. All right, it's Gary, and we out. Peace.